Subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button. Click the bell button and enjoy the latest uploads from our channel.
Warning: please read the warnings we make in the More Information section of our channel. We are not responsible for the information herein. Do this and get $2,000 in 4 days from your home, easy and safe. If a few months ago I had talked about this way to get money fast, I would have laughed to death. But 7 weeks ago, the friend of a neighbor of mine really needed to get money fast, and desperate. He tried to practice them. He could not be more wrong. I'm not talking about getting income through web pages, or finding extra work to increase your profits, but rituals to get money. And yes, they work. I think they work. If you want to attract more money into your life, you must first train your mind to think about that money. Money or wealth is a state of mind, and that is why I present you the ritual to get money that you have been practicing in the past 6 weeks, and that have made me go from having no more than $700 in my account a month, to find myself earning almost $2,000 a month from home. I even won $2,000 in 4 days too. When money starts to fail, it is necessary to trigger the mechanisms that make that money back into your pocket. If you rely on spells to get money fast, they can be the key to opening the way to finding ways to get more wealth. With some blueberry juice. Blueberry juice is not just to drink it, but it is also to attract money into your life. Search Google for this year's lunar calendar, and on a full moon day, put a ticket in a bowl of blueberry juice. Another alternative is to take a glass, fill it with orange juice and water evenly, and place inside 3 coins. The next day, take the note that you put into the juice of blueberries or the 3 coins in the orange juice, wrap it in cellophane or any other transparent, and always carry that note or coins in your wallet, near your money. I ask 3 favors. 1. Subscribe. 2. Share it with your friends and family. 3. Give a like.